Hi guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. This is literally like gonna be like the nerdiest thing you ever watched, but I am so excited. You don't know how excited I am. Okay, let me get into it. Starting off strong, I have a package to open. Basically, like a couple weeks ago, I discovered what hirono is, and basically it's this series under the brand Pop Mart. Basically, there's this brand called Pop Mart. They release the literally cutest like collectible figures, and hirono is my fave. You can see some of the hirono figures I've already collected right there in the background, and I finally got my package and I'm so excited. I'm gonna literally get straight into it. So here she is. It looks like it's in a small garbage bag, but I literally don't care. I literally just want my package. Oh my god, I have been waiting forever. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Oh shit, let me make sure to not show my address. Oopsies. You can kind of see it. Basically, if you are wondering what I got the hirono doll panda figure. This figure actually released a couple days before my birthday. It released like October like 25th or 23rd, something like that. I don't remember. And my birthday is the 27th, so it literally released a couple days before my birthday, and it also restocked, but I was unable to catch the restock because it literally sold out instantly. Like, Pop Mart sent me the email that it restocked at like 4 a.m. and then I didn't see it till 2 p.m. and I checked it and it was gone. But I bet if I checked it literally at 4:01, it would have been gone anyway. Like, the bots and the resellers literally snagged this stuff so quick. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Why is this thing packaged so good? It's like really hard to open. Dang! Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so cute. Basically, oh my god. It's so beautiful. I feel bad to even like open the package, honestly. Oh my god. Basically, they have like blind boxes, and then sometimes they do like special releases, and like this is one of them. They literally just released this. It's the hirono doll panda. I literally love it so much. I'm adding it to my collection of hirono over there, and yeah, I'm so excited that this is gonna be my 4th figure to my collection. I'm waiting on more. I'm trying to get like 10 figures and put them all on there for my collection, and then I also ordered a couple skull pandas as well, which I'm super excited to get. The sound series for skull panda was so beautiful, so I ordered a couple figures too. But oh my god, I'm so happy. It's so freaking cute. Okay guys, I just got finished making a TikTok of me opening it up, but look at the little baby. It's so cute. I can't even like show it well. I might just play my TikTok that I made on screen, but oh my god, it's literally so cute. And then the little helmet part comes apart, and it has like a little magnet in there, so you can like, so it stays together, and then you just kind of, oh my gosh. And yeah, this is my 4th hirono figure. Everything was super good. I did unfortunately have to get the figure from a reseller because it just sold out so fast. Like, even the restock sold out really quick, so I was just not able to get a hold of it. But luckily the reseller, everything came like super bubble wrapped and stuff, and it's authentic, indicated by the metallic sticker at the back. So everything was amazing. I'm literally so excited. This is my 4th figure. So yeah, I am gonna have 10 of them. I'm still waiting on 6. Last one I ordered yesterday, so we are almost halfway. I am so excited. I literally love hirono. So yeah, I'm gonna get the 10 hirono figures. Off the top of my head, the figures that I'm going to get are, okay, the ones I already have are Prison, Manacle, Healer, and Doll Panda. And the ones that I'm waiting on are Stray Panda, Fallen Angel, which is the first one I fell in love with. Okay, Stray Panda, Fallen Angel, Birdie, Echo, Comfortably Numb, and the Pop Mart 13th anniversary one. So those are the ones I'm waiting on. Some of them haven't even like shipped yet, so I'm a little bit, you know, I don't know, like when I order stuff, I get so impatient for it and I want it like yesterday. Like I hate that, like, especially like I get all my stuff, like most of it off AliExpress, because it just have so much more variety. It takes so, like, if you know AliExpress, you know AliExpress. It takes like around 2-ish weeks. It depends. Like around 2-ish weeks is like usually how long it takes. So I just be so, like, I'd be like rocking back and forth and like biting my nails like when I'm waiting for my packages, because bro, I need them. But anyways, this is my 4th figure. The Fallen Angel one should deliver in the next couple days, so that's good. Some of them unfortunately haven't even shipped, so I'm like crying, but I'm gonna be so happy when I get them all, so it's okay. I know there's like, you know, a light. And then also my Skull Pandas. I discovered the Skull Panda sound series. Like literally when I first discovered Skull Panda, I wasn't that impressed. I only saw the Warmth series, which isn't my favorite, so I was like, I don't really care for Skull Panda, like Pop Mart figure wise. And then I saw the Sound series, and that series is literally beautiful. I'm like putting pictures on screen of everything, so like if you have no idea what I'm rambling about, you'll see. That series is literally beautiful. So the figures that I ordered were the Grief and the Pensiveness. Those were like my favorite. I also really liked the Terror and the Vigilance one as well. But anyways, here's my hirono doll panda. Adorable. I'm gonna go put it on my shelf and then come back. Okay, so moving on, I saw these really cute like decorated notebooks on TikTok that I really liked, so I was like, oh my god, I want to make that. So I'm gonna do my best attempt at making like a little notebook. I got these 2 little black ones. They like have glitter, which I was looking for plain black. I literally couldn't find it, and I just didn't feel like going to another store, so I'm gonna just try to work with what I have. I got 2 of them, and they're white at the back. So I was just gonna like secretly do something poor and like have it like, if I wanted 1 black, 1 white, and just decorate this side, and then that's it. So yeah, I have the 2 notebooks, and then I printed out a bunch of pictures. Basically, I'm in the process of like redecorating my room. If you like been watching me for a hot minute, you would know that I had my room like this pinky aesthetic before, but I changed it like honestly back like during the summer, like months ago. So I just got tired of it, and I'm moving into more of an akubi like black and white aesthetic, which I really like. So I'm still working on decorating it. My room is still like kind of a mess, but I went and printed a lot of pictures and stuff so I can have like some pictures to put on the wall and to put on these notebooks. Like you can kind of see the vibe I'm going for through the pictures. Okay, this one printed really badly. Some of them printed badly, but you know, I love Miffy, and I love this style. It's like, I forgot the name. I'm gonna have to put the name on screen because I totally forgot. It's like Yoshitomo Nara. This. I really like that style and that vibe. So you know, like hirono, I feel like the vibes just kind of go together. I wish this picture printed better, but it didn't. And then here's another page. examples. And then here's another page of more of the Yoshitomo stuff. This is the same image, but it just printed really badly. I don't know why. Because this stuff was in color, and then I just printed it in black and white, and then it, like, some of the color, like, some of it went away. But it's okay. And then I have, like, a bunch more pictures, all I found on Pinterest, which I think are so cute. There's this cute one. I'll try to go through them quickly. This kind of more Yoshitomo stuff. This cuteness. Again, some of the color is kind of gone, but you can still like see what's going on. This one was really cute too. This. And I think that was it. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate these notebooks now. I'm really excited to, because I feel like it would be so cute and fun. So I'm gonna change angles. Okay, so I finally finished cutting everything out, and these pictures over here are going to go on the wall as decor, so I'm gonna put those up, and then I'm gonna work on doing my little collage covers for the books. I was gonna honestly probably like paint over the glitter, just with a regular like black paint to just make it normal black, because I feel like the black glitter is like kind of weird for it. So I'll see what I'll do, but you'll see in the time lapse. Okay, so here are my notebooks. Don't mind all the glue on my table, but I finished the decorating process. I actually really like them. At first I was thinking about like painting the background to take off the glitter, but I really like the black glitter, honestly. I feel like it looks like, I don't know, it's kind of cunt to me. Like, I actually like it, and like I have the little pictures on it. Yeah, I really like them. So I'm gonna have them on display in there, and then now I'm gonna go hang up these pictures. Okay, so here's my collages that I made on the wall. I'm covering right here because my garbage can is full. But yeah, here's this side. You can kind of see like the pictures and everything. I don't know what I'm gonna put on the shelf like finalized. I just put the stuff here for now. That's one of the notebooks I just did. And then here's that side, and then that area is cute too. And I also don't remember if I showed it, but here's my current hirono collection. I have 4 of 10. They're all so cute. And here's my pegboard. I don't think I've ever shown this either, but I made all of these trinkets, and they're so cute. I do need a little figure or something to go here. I just put this other little Miffy I made right here, but here's my other pegboard. I love pegboard tours, so just a bit of an overview. So cute. Okay guys, it's the next day. I found this really cute pattern for this little Miffy, so I'm gonna be making it. I already made the head off camera, but I'm gonna make the rest of it with you guys and then finish it. It's really gonna be so cute. Okay, you guys, I did the rest off camera. Here's the little Miffy that I made. She's a little bit like derpy wonky, but I think she's cute. And of course she has a little tail at the back, and I put a little bow on her head so she could be cute. And yeah, this is the notebook I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna turn the camera because I look crazy right now, but thank you for watching my vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be